Welcome to Woodland Center Block. This is one of the best places to visit here in Westminster City, British Columbia, Canada. So the site is very astonishing. It's overlooking the Fraser River in a Patolo Bridge. That's the old Patolo Bridge that was built in the 1930s. Well, I should say it was opened to the public in 1937, and until now it's still operational. Though a new replacement is being built alongside, adjacent to its location. So this place was originally the site of British Columbia's provincial lunatic asylum, known as the Provincial Asylum for the Insane. The Provincial Hospital for the Insane Woodlands is called, and it's Woodlands. But right now it's the original facilities was torn down, and it was replaced with these gorgeous buildings that you can see over here. The place is perfect for its location. It's in the hills overlooking this Fraser River.